Hey guys, so this is a Let's Talk Food, and today I am making some spaghetti squash, and then I'm going to try the spaghetti squash and review the spaghetti squash. I've never had spaghetti squash before, so this is an adventure in itself. First things you want to do is cut it in half. Oh yeah, preheat your oven to 350, and then scoop out the guts. It's like a pumpkin, it's a squash, it's their relative, so you want to make sure that you get all of the seeds and weird stringy stuff out. Again, I'm no expert at this, no chef, no person who understands fruits and vegetables, but I do know that you gotta take this icky stuff out. And you just want to throw it away unless you know something else to do with it that I don't. So hollow it out, and then you are good to go. You want to put it on a baking sheet and put it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Sorry guys, I did not do the calculations to figure out what that is in Celsius. So once you take it out, you can use a fork or a knife, and as you see here, you get your little spaghetti strands. This is when I realized why they call it spaghetti squash. It's kind of cool. It's yellow. I wonder if it's tasty. We'll get to that later. But yeah, you just kind of like scoop around the edges and want to get everything out. Again, you can use a fork, a knife, spoon, whatever you got. Put it in a bowl, and then we're just going to add some seasoning. You can add whatever seasonings you want. I used some onion and garlic powder, and I had a CAJUN's blend, and then I just mixed in, oh my bad, garlic salt, and then I just mixed in some tomato sauce, and that was pretty much the gist of it for me. So yeah, let's go try it. Okay, so I created spaghetti squash. I didn't create it, actually. God created it, or like, you know, the earth and the universe and all that jazz. But I made some spaghetti squash for the first time. You guys just witnessed it, and now I'm going to taste it. I've never tasted it before, and so hopefully I seasoned it right, and maybe I'll learn that I need to change some things up and add some things next time. But it smells good. It smells pretty good. I don't know. Let's see. It's not bad. Probably should put like some Parmesan cheese or something, or some mozzarella or something. Maybe I could put too much spice because it's kind of spicy. I mean, it tastes like squash with spaghetti sauce. It's really strange how it makes like this little spaghetti, like noodle looking fibers. Like, plants are weird and it smells like pumpkin, but it doesn't taste like pumpkin at all. There you have it, spaghetti squash.